Okay, we're moving on to relative coordinate entry. So the big difference here and how to use this, this is one of the drawing techniques I use the most. And you'll notice there's a symbol you're going to have to place, so this should be a review. Basically, you're keeping track of where you're going compared to where you are at, which is Shift 2 to get that at symbol. So once we start, we're giving you the segment lengths and the direction. So again, we're expecting that you know how to set up your workspace. From here, we're going to start at 0, 0. So we're going to get a little extra room starting at -2, -2. And you're going to add 12, 9, 12 plus 2 on each side. And then obviously 16 plus 2. So those are our limits for this workspace. In your grid, zoom, and snap. Now, understanding how this works, again, you're going to start at 0, 0, and you're going to tell it where you're going. So you're going to say at 12 on the x-axis and 0 on the y. Now, this becomes the new 0, 0, and we're going to move to our next spot. You're going to go at 0 on the x, because we're not going left or right, and 6 on the y. And again, this becomes the new 0, 0. 9 on the x, 0 on the y. From here down, 0 on the x, -6 on the y. And that's how we'll continue. Now, what you can do, again, is take your screen snip. You can copy and paste this into your drawing workspace. Edit, paste. And then click and drag your work box right there. Okay, so that's going to give us our coordinates. Again, we'll start at 0, 0. Okay, and if you notice what's happening in my command line down here, I'm going to use that symbol, 12 on the x, 0 on the y. At 0 on the x, 6 on the y. At 9 on the x, 0 on the y. And we'll make our way over, and we're checking to make sure that your limits actually match the size of the drawing once it's all said and done. And then we're good from there. So that concludes relative coordinate entry. Just to review, again, make sure you fill out your limits, grid, zoom, and snap, and your coordinates on the classroom doc before you turn it in.